students. So now we are gathered here to discuss about the design thinking concept on calorimeter. So let us explore how the engineering innovation transforms the simple calorimeter into the smart scientific devices. We already know what is calorimeter. Calorimeter is a device is used to measure the calorific values of the different type of fuels. But in the traditional calorimeter, the often face some challenges like heat loss, measurement loss, as well as limited access. So let us discuss what are the problems occurs in the traditional calorimeters as well as how to rectify the calorimeter by the way of design thinking approach. Let us start with one by one.
Good morning to us. I'm Raman. I'm second year mechanical. Design thinking is a problem solving approach that focuses on users' creativity, testing, and improvement. It has 5 stages: empathize, debate, ideate, prototype, testing. Let's update these steps. Redesign a calorimeter.
So let us apply these steps like the 5 stages of design thinking like starting from empathy, define, ideate, test and prototype and test. Let us using these 5 stages we can rectify the problems occurs in the calorimeter. Anyone if I discuss about the define as well as the ideate stages.
Good morning to everyone. I'm going to explain about empathize and define. In empathize, there are two stages: student stage and researcher stage. We need to check the point of them. First, student stage. In students, they say heat escape from the temperature, and second takes too long. The measurement may be hard to take. Researcher's point of view, it may be higher precision. So it is not about the device problem. It's about the experience of the user. Second one, define. Now we frame the problem statement. How we need to design a accurate calorimeter with portable and easy to use.
I would like to start with the ideas. So, what is ideas? So, it's a stage where we generate creative ideas to reach the possible limitations that can be approached by an engineer's point of view. So, the solutions might be better heat acceptance, like reduction of weight loss, better inspiration, and higher accuracy. So this is how the ideal stage of design thinking helps engineers to approach a different precision and the field of calorimetry.
The fourth stage of design thinking is the prototype. An easy prototype can be made using a cardboard and Arduino system to control the temperature and foam insulated test unit. And also we can use 3D printed casing. So, and the prototype must not need to be perfect, but it needs to be in the full working condition and satisfy the conditions. And the final stage of TT is testing. So when we test the design, we measure the heat loss, accuracy, ease of use, and the durability. So when we analyze these tests, we can identify the problems and rectify it.
I would say about the real world explanation in calorimeter. Imagine a smart calorimeter that logs temperature automatically, connect mobile apps, and test experiment. I would like to conclude, sir, all about this design thinking calorimeter, sir. So as generally the engineers go till the limitations they will go and not approach, but through design thinking and the stages of design thinking from empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing, we approach differently to a path that can easily be handled and can be approached and can get different solutions and ideas. Proper use of calorimeter with different ideas.
Thinking transforms the simple laboratory instruments into a platform for innovation. By empathizing with the users, clearly defining the problems, generating the creative ideas as well as building the prototype, and by using the prototype, the testing also conduct. So we can redesign the calorimeter to be accurate, efficient, and portable, and also user friendly. So now I hope you all are aware about the how the design thinking concepts involved in the calorimeters. Okay, so thank you for your cooperation.